What if I told you that $1,000 just landed in my PayPal account in 30 days and I did it all from working for homes? This does not involve you having any fancy skills, just three strategy that you can actually copy and you work on it, and you also make money directly to your PayPal account. Hi, welcome to my channel where I talk about how you can make money online, how you can make use of free tools, and how you can also make use of AI to make money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 strategies that have worked for me to make money online, where I'll be showing you each step by step on how you can also go on and also follow step by step I use in making $1,000 in 30 days. So guys, stick around and don't forget to subscribe and also share these videos so this can reach out to whoever needs this video or whoever that has been searching for how they can also make money online. The first strategy that worked for me is called freelancing. So freelancing is me working on Upwork and also Fiverr, where I actually go ahead and showcase my basic skill. I sell my skills on these two platforms right here to make over $500 from these two platforms with just basic skills like video editing, voiceover, which I use AI, and also graphic designer, which I use Canva and other AI generator to make this. And you can also go ahead and copy me and go ahead and create a profile, and also use ChatGPT to also create profile on this platform. So I use this to set up my profile, and I go ahead and start uploading my few skills on Upwork and Fiverr, where I actually bid on small jobs, and I go ahead and make $500 in 14 days. And there are other two more which I'll be also showing in these videos, where actually make me over $1,000 that landed in my PayPal account. So for the second one right here, which is affiliate marketing. So for affiliate marketing, there are thousands of websites you can go over and join their program, where you can go ahead and promote their products where you earn commissions. So right here, I have over platform like Amazon Associates. I also have Share a Sale and also Fiverr, where I promote their product, and this also earn me above $200 just by promoting products I don't own, just by me going ahead, creating videos, creating reels, and adding my affiliate link in my bio. And this actually have earned me over $200 just by doing this. You can go ahead, create short videos about the product, tell people about what they will benefit from this. You can go ahead and post such videos on TikTok. You can also post it on YouTube short, and you can also go ahead and promote it on Facebook pages. So right here, this strategy also have earned me over $200 just by doing affiliate marketing. And this right here, you don't need a basic fancy skills for you to start it, or you don't need to have a laptop for you to get started. These are just basic way for you to start to make money online. The third strategy is called selling digital products. So selling digital products is actually going ahead and create maybe a template, an ebook, and start selling to people. So right here on my page right here, I've made over 16 sales already, and this have earned me money in different currency. And also on my KDP, I've also earned over $80 just by sharing what I know about. And this book actually can be generated with the help of AI and your own personal research, and with a little touch of some editing. So you can go ahead and upload on KDP. You can also go ahead and upload on seller.com, where I actually upload my own book on how you can make money. So right here is me showcasing you the result I've earned on selling digital products. So with a basic skill that you have, you can go ahead on Canva and actually create a simple template. You can go ahead and create a timetable template, a survey template that you can go ahead and start selling on KDP, and with little and few promotions of you going to maybe Facebook groups, going to Reddit, and to promote your templates can actually make you money. And this already on all platforms I'm promoting, I've earned over $300 doing this selling digital products, and this digital product is actually a lifetime earning where you can actually upload a book which will keep paying you forever. So this skill right here have also make me a lot of money, and there are some other skills I'll be showcasing on my next videos that have also earned me so much money, and I want to share this with you guys. So for you guys to stick with me and also watch the next video, make sure right now you are already a subscriber where you can actually go ahead and receive notification on every video I drop on my channel. So guys, share this video with your friend who is also looking for how they can break through, how they can also make their own first $100 online. So you can go ahead and share my videos, and also go ahead and watch my previous videos where I share different strategies on how you can also go ahead and make money for free. Nothing like you have an experience. You just go ahead and you click on and you create sign up, and you start to make your own money directly to your PayPal account or to your bank account. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll make sure you like and subscribe to this channel.